Alright, this is a cow spa, and this particular jet is a neck jet. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise till it snaps out, and you may have a problem with these actually jumping out. I call this a Pentair smiley face jet. You can see it's got a smiley face. This is a replacement diffuser, and all you got to do to replace the diffuser is simply take a screwdriver and pop the old one off. And just do this. Just don't hurt yourself, don't stab yourself with it. Just do that. Kind of pop that off, and you can see that it'll really kind of peel off like that. And then you just line your diffuser back up like that and pop it back on. And don't buy any cheap diffusers, get the good stuff. And then all you would do, and I have the good stuff, all you do is stick it back in there, turn it till it snaps in, and voila, done deal. Replaced the diffuser. This is a Pentair. Alright, this is a cow spa jet that's a little bit larger, different brand, or not different brand, different size face. And this one is not a neck jet, it's down in the water. So, same principle. I'll show you right here. We're going to do it real easy. Just stick your screwdriver behind, pop it off, pop the new one on. Done deal. Now I'm going to snap her in. Just like that. Done deal. And what happens to these is they get eaten up with chemicals, and they get thin and they get weak. Those little tabs right there get where you can see I can just move it like an old wishbone off a chicken.